Dubai is the first country to start flying taxis in 2022. United States, Germany, UK, Japan, Singapore. These countries also planning to launch flying taxi services by 2025. Then what about India? Can we imagine an electric flying taxi? Yes, the imagination is possible. IIT Madras students in India created wonder by making India's first ever flying taxi, the e200. IIT Madras incubated startup called the eplane company made this electric flying taxi. It purely works on battery power. From lithium-ion battery power, the electric taxi offers 200 kilometers of range on a single charge. The specialty of this electric air taxi, it is electric vertical takeoff and landing model eVTOL, which means E200 doesn't require long runway. A small space is enough. The size of this air taxi is 5 meters length and 5 meters width, just double the size of a car. To be specific, 25 square meters area is enough. Also, this flying taxi can run 10 times faster than a normal taxi. The advantage of this air taxi, you don't need to stuck in traffic. If an Uber or Ola taxi takes 1 hour time to travel, in air taxi you can reach the same distance in just 10 minutes. The air taxi can offer ride for 2 passengers or 20 kgs of weight. The top speed of this vehicle is 200 km per hour. The maximum cruising altitude of this flying taxi is 457 meters. Coming to the fare charges, the cost of air taxi is 2 times higher than a Uber taxi. A recent good news, the eplane company got design organization approval from Directorate General of Civil Aviation, which means this electric air taxi can fly officially in India. Also, this is the first Indian air taxi to get approval from DGCA. Already, some countries planning to launch these eVTOL flying taxis by coming 5 years. Dubai planning for the takeoff of flying taxis by 2026. In February 2023, Dubai's ruler Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum announced that they will launch flying taxis by 2026 and Dubai to use US-based Joby Aviation Company's 6-rotor electric flying taxi. This eVTOL has 240 km per hour top speed and 321 km of range. And Japan government also tying up with Joby Aviation to bring flying taxi services by 2025. Singapore government tie up with Volocopter company and plans to bring Velocity air taxi by 2025. This eVTOL has 35 km of range and 110 km per hour top speed. Other countries like Germany, UK and US also plans to bring flying taxis by 2025. Right now, many startups around the world working on eVTOL projects. Now, an Indian startup, eplane company, bringing the same technology to our country with an affordable pricing. So far, the startup raised $1 million funding. To make the project into reality, the startup needs more funding. The startup initially started with drones, successfully tested the E50 drone, now got approval for E200 flying taxi. If everything goes fine, India can start testing electric flying taxis by 2025 in the major cities. Good to see Indian young talent bringing new EV technology for our country. That's the complete story about India's first electric air taxi, the E200. If you are an EV owner willing to share your ownership review with us, please WhatsApp your details to the number shown on the screen or else fill the form link in the description below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. For EV reviews, please subscribe to EV Bro Reviews. For automobile content, please subscribe to MVS Auto. Charge the nature, drive the future.